G'day, it's Matt. It's a bit windy today, but hopefully you'll still get the idea. So we walk up with the factory key, press the unlock button 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and just like magic, she starts herself up. There's a couple of inbuilt safety features and an anti-theft mechanism as well, but bear in mind the car is now unlocked, so anyone who's nearby the car can't have access to it, and you cannot relock the car once the car is started. So dark window is probably advisable, but once it's started, as I said, there's a couple of safety mechanisms, and then to get in the car and drive it away, you just got to pop your key in the ignition and away you go. But it is that simple. Remote start for Commodores, Monaros, all sorts of stuff.